quickly as they move through the day tomorrow. Now, here we go. 110 mile per hour winds by tomorrow morning. That's around 8 o'clock in the morning. All right. So this thing at 85 now, 110 by 8 o'clock in the morning. 130 by landfall. That's Cat 4, major hurricane with potentially 20 feet. 15 to 20 foot of storm surge in that area where it makes landfall. That will not likely be in our neck of the woods. Then it goes up, and I'm telling you, this is going to be such a big storm for Atlanta. They would at least have wind gusts in the 70s, which is hurricane strength for the most part there. I don't think they're not going to have sustained winds, but they're going to get wind gusts possibly in the mid 70s to even low 80s. And that is saying something to have that much wind inland. The forecast models at this point, a wobble to the right, a wobble to the left. We'll see a little bit of that. I don't think it's enough that's going to cause us too much pain here in West Central Florida. That is the wind, and that wind will actually grow. So that whole area will grow, and that's what produces storm surge. It's the size of that, it's the length of that, how long it's blowing, and it's how much wind is near that core as well, too. Look how close the core gets to us. It stays offshore. That orange you see there is about 60 mile per hour winds. The red is hurricane 74 and higher. But you get the idea. There you go. Tomorrow at 5 p.m. in the afternoon, the wind now is blowing on shore, and it's honking. I mean, that's when we're going to see our gusts in the 60s and 70s. I think most areas see winds in the 40s and 50s, but gusts will go in the 60s and 70s, and a couple spots near the coast will get 80s, I think, just a couple. And then it goes on shore tomorrow night. So that means the surge 5 to 8 in Pinellas and Hillsborough County. Last year we saw 2 to 4 with the Dahlia. You could add 2 plus on top of that. Okay, this is likely to happen. It's not a sure bet. 8 to 12 in Pasco, 10 to 15 when you get up into Citrus County. And I want to show you this real fast. This right here is the forecast for St. Pete. And what you're looking at